The Supreme Court en banc on Tuesday, June 23, dismissed Solicitor General Jose Caleda Quo Warranto Petition against A B S-CBN Corporation for being moot, sources confirmed to Rappler. Caleda filed the Quo Warranto Petition last February 10, alleging that A B S-CBN Corporation and Convergence violated terms of their franchises. Sources told Rappler that the petition has become moot because A B S-CBN Corporation's franchise already expired on May 4. A B S-CBN Channel 2 went off air on May 5 after the National Telecommunications Commission or NTC issued a cease and desist order against it. The junction does not affect A B S-CBN's petition for temporary restraining order, TRO, or the total voiding of the NTC's cease and desist order, which is handled by a different justice in charge, meaning that the shutdown is still in effect. Malacanang respects decision. Malacanang said it respects the decision of the High Court. We leave it to the Solicitor General as the petitioner to decide on his next legal steps, said presidential spokesperson Harry Roque. The Duterte spokesman said the executive branch also leaves it to Congress to decide on the franchise renewal of A B S-CBN. We consider this a prerogative of Congress, which is presently deliberating on the matter, said Roque. A B S-CBN Convergence. The same sources said the petition insofar as A B S-CBN Converge is concerned is still pending. But the franchise of A B S-CBN Convergence, which operates A B S-CBN Mobile, also already expired. In fact, it expired on March 17, before the franchise of A B S-CBN Corporation expired. In a disclosure to the stock exchange, A B S-CBN Corporation said, in the meantime, Convergence has suspended operations which require a legislative franchise or provisional authority. Supreme Court spokesperson Brian Keith Hasaka later confirmed the actions of the en banc. Asked why the case against A B S-CBN Convergence was retained despite its franchise also having expired, Hasaka said, "Let us wait for the resolution of the court on this matter. As for the reason for their action, the petition for TRO is scheduled for another round of SC deliberations on July 13. By July 13, A B S-CBN would have been shut for more than 2 months, losing up to 35 million pesos per day since shutdown." A B S-CBN President and CEO Carlo Catigbak-Irlayer told lawmakers that the network may have to begin retrenching some of its workers by August if it is not allowed to operate by then. Franchise hearings in the House of Representatives are still ongoing, and are stalled as lawmakers dwell on the citizenship of A B S-CBN Chairman Emeritus Gabby Lopez despite a Department of Justice (DOJ) declaration that he is a Filipino citizen. The A B S-CBN case has created a deadlock among the three branches of government, with legal experts differing on interpretations on which branch would have the last say. Thank you so much and please subscribe to Sir Win Vlogs. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Salamat kapatid.